Alright everybody, so today we're going to be jeweling the bolt on the Model 70 Winchester. So I've got the lapping compound. Use a Q-tip to apply it. You can apply this on, and what I do is I just put like a line of it across. That way when you're going across, you don't have to worry about keep adding to it. So this is how I put it on. Close up the cap. Turn the drill press on. Let's go. Now hold for 3 seconds on each jewel. You overlap by half. And I'm going to move it 2 turns. Same thing again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start doing this and then I'm going to speed it up. I'm going to do a time lapse. And you can listen to some music as I do it. So enjoy. Alright guys, that's it. Jeweling is done. So we're going to take it out of the drill fixture here. And this right here is just a lapping compound. I'm going to take that out. I'm going to clean that out, but that's it. It's Model 70 jeweling. That's going to look real nice in the gun. I'm going to clean that up and then I'm going to put it in the gun and show you. Alright everybody, so I have the bolt back in the gun. Bring it up closer for you. So now you can see how it looks inside the gun. Now I'm going to end up just taking it back out because I don't want to get all marred up while I'm working on the gun. So I'm going to set that off to the side. So the tools that I use are New England Custom Guns jeweling fixture right here. It's got a screw on the back with a brass rod that inserts, and then you can add more of these grommets. You can buy them separate from them. I think they're $10 for like 20 of them. They last a long time. The other thing is coarse metal grinding compound. Any valve grinding paste you can buy at your local hardware store or a auto car shop. I used before fine valve grinding paste, but it just doesn't show as well as the coarse. So again, there's the work on that, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video. So next video is going to be, we're going to be inletting the barreled action, and then we'll start working on that. Once that's inletted, then we're going to start doing the bedding. We're going to fiberglass the stock. So till then, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.